Here you're asked to factor x squared minus x minus 12. X squared, I'm going to write this as plus negative x plus negative 12. This is one of the easier trinomials because the coefficient of the x squared of the squared term is 1. So you don't have to do the more complicated m and n method. It'll still work, but you don't have to. I tend to like to go straight to the little binomial factoring here, because this only works, by the way, when the coefficient of that is 1. When it's not 1, we have to do the harder method. The only way to get x squared is x times x, so I know they go there. Then I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give me negative 12, but add to give me negative 1. There's a negative 1 in front of there, not just a negative. Be careful on that. So I need two numbers that multiply to give me negative 12, but add to give me negative 1. What are they going to be? I know I can do 4 and 3 to get negative 12, but I want them to add, well, how about 4 and negative 3? Will that work? Well, I'll get negative 12, but I'll get a positive 1, so that won't work. How about negative 4 and positive 3? Yep, that one's going to cut it. So once I know my m and n, I just come and add them in. X plus negative 4, x plus 3. Now when you're looking at your answers, typically when you're looking at a multiple choice answer, it won't say x plus negative 4, it'll say x subtract 4. You should know by now that they are the same, and it's okay to use either one of those.